Just because your battery terminals look like this does not necessarily mean you need a new battery. So here are some of the indications that you may need a battery. Corroded terminals, slow to start, hard to start, or warning lights coming on in the dash because the power in the battery is insufficient to keep the lights from coming on and off, or dim headlights. It might just be your cables are loose and you have a bad connection. The first thing we would do is we would test your battery to see how sufficient it charges. So we tested this battery and it's charged at 100%. So by the looks of it, it just needs to have a little service done to it. So we're going to clean up the terminals. So this spray can of stuff that we're using right now is stuff that you spray on the terminals to remove the corrosion on the battery. So what he's basically doing right now is he's cleaning all the terminals and the battery point terminals so that all the corrosion's off of there so that they'll have better contact, which will give the battery more juice and more charge. Protection for anti-corrosion. You spray that on there after you clean everything up, and it makes the battery terminals stay fresher without building up corrosion. So even though this battery was charged at 100%, the corrosion on the terminals, we clean that up for preventive maintenance so there won't be any problems in the future. If you think you have any charging system issues or battery issues on your car, come down to Castro Valley Tire Pros. We'll check it for free, or you can check us out at LillyClassicCarGarage.com.